Hello guys, welcome to TechnoLung Reviews. Are you looking for an old and tested AI writing tool with a lifetime deal? If yes, then watch this video. Today we are going to review Nichesss, where you can get amazing content, images, and profitable ideas for any niche. It comes with over 150 plus AI tools. It is an alternative to Copy.ai and Jasper, and it is the best tool for marketers, marketing agencies, and social media managers. You will find its lifetime deal at just $59 at Appsumo. It offers unlimited tokens, which means you can write unlimited words with it. If you need an extra 10% off, please watch the full video. When I am reviewing, it shows a huge 309 reviews, and the count is increasing rapidly. If we look at the review section, we can see that almost all the reviews are good. This means that Nichesss is a quality AI writing tool. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the dashboard of the Nichesss AI writing tool. Here, when we enter, we see recent options. We can check recent histories like recent articles, recent AI-generated images, etc. On the right side, we find stats like content plans, long-form docs, and video-generated numbers. After recent options, here we find content tools. Here we get 209 different AI tool options for different tasks, such as one-click post, extension, long-form, and other AI tools. Here, in Filter by Tag, all the AI tools are divided into different tags such as Show All. Here you will get all the tools. Ads. Here you will get different ad-related writing tools. Facebook ad targeting tips, Facebook ads, Google ads, and so on. Art and creativity. AI art prompt, helper, AI image, and AI story, etc. Here, in Filter by Name, you can search AI tools by name, like I can search video and explore video writing options. Now, we will explore different writing tools. Let's start with one-click post. Now click on Create a one-click post. Then you need to select the language. I select English. Now give the post title in the box. What are the benefits of lead generation? Next, you need to select sections, 3 to 10. The more the sections, the more the words. Let's select 5. Now you can select or deselect the FAQ. If you need to publish the article to your WordPress site, you can click on Click Here. Now click Create New. Here, give the name of your WordPress blog, such as TechnoLung. Destination type will be WordPress. Then give the site URL. After that, select page type, such as post or page. Default post status can be draft or publish. I select publish. Finally, you need to give the username and application password of your website like this. Now click on Save Changes. After that, refresh the writing page, and now select your blog to publish the content to your WordPress blog. You can explore advanced settings too. Here, you can select different models and tones and give tags, keywords, instructions, and point of view. Now click on Next. Now it will show you all the outline and FAQ questions. You can check it and then edit or delete some of it if you need to. Finally, click on Generate. Now it will process and it needs some time. Here is your content. You can also check it on your website. Check it is posted without error. The features of Nichesss is really amazing. You can buy its lifetime deal from Appsumo at just $59. Take the deal before it is gone. Next, we will explore Pinterest description. We need to search for it with Filter by Name. Click Use in New Project. Then give the project name, Nichesss. Now click Create Project. Now you need to fill out the options below. Your business name, suppose Nichesss. Business keywords, such as Nichesss AI writing tool, etc. What your business does, it is an AI writing tool. Title of the Pinterest pin, suppose Nichesss AI writing tool. Finally, click on Get Content. Wait, here are 3 Pinterest pin descriptions. Check, the pin descriptions are very impressive with branding, hashtags, etc. You can choose anyone you like. Now we will check AI story from books. Click Use in New Project. Then give the project name, Book Story. Now click Create Project. First, you need to select the language. I select English. Here in the form, give a sentence to turn into a story, such as, 2 Persian cats are going to the jungle. Now click on Get Content. Wow, here is your story. The story is quite good. Now we will explore AI image. Here we can create any image. First, you need to select the language. I select English. Then, describe your image, such as a Persian cat. After that, select Style from different options. I select Photography. Then select a medium from different options. I select Canvas. Now click on Get Content. Okay, here is your image. Wow, the AI image is great. So, it is a complete review with a step-by-step tutorial on Nichesss. If you follow this video, you will not need any tutorials to use this amazing writing tool. If you need this complete AI writing tool, then you can buy its lifetime deal from Appsumo at just $59. I repeat again that it comes with unlimited tokens, means unlimited words, so grab it now. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it if you really need it. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase from this link, I will get a small percentage, and you will get a 10% discount also. Moreover, if you really like this video, please subscribe to us and give us a like. And for more information, please visit www.technolung.com.